Don't you quit on your dream. You're stronger than you think you are. You're tougher than you think you are. You can go through more than you think you can. It doesn't matter how many times you've been rejected. It doesn't matter how many defeats you've faced. It doesn't matter how much heartache and pain you've gone through. If you can keep moving forward, you will find a way.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Morning, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning. You see me out the door? Yes, guys, this is one of the things that the doctor said that I know that I should be doing. I have to get up, walk, and stretch in the morning, yeah? Yeah, man, walk, exercise in the morning, guys. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What's going on? Yeah, man, I've been away for a little bit. Been away for a little while, guys. As me say, you never know what is around the corner for you. Yeah, man, you never know, because none of us know what tomorrow is going to bring. Because guess what happened, guys? If you wake up this morning and you know that something going to happen to you 1 o'clock, you know when 1 o'clock come. So guys, to each and every one of you out there, take care of yourself and remember, anything can happen to any of us. So rejoicing is never a good thing to do. Rejoicing on another person downfall. Yes, guys. So that I think. Morning, sir. So guys, this morning I'm outside. I stretch my legs. Yeah, man, stretch my legs, you know. Feeling not 100%. Not 100%, but I feel a lot better. You know, guys, one idea. I go sit down and have a talk with you about what exactly happened to me. AK, why me jump on the live last night, but the computer start freeze up. So me couldn't get to continue and watch the live. But AK, I was listening to the part that you was saying to me about take care of myself. Don't worry about making any videos. And, you know, you were giving me some good words. Just like how I give you good words. And I respect that. And I respect you from long time. And I respect you a lot more. Hearing you saying them things to me, you know. Enough respect. And AK, you hear what I say? You say, me hear, me watch a video. And it's like you are asked some questions about if you should continue to sit down and talk. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Sit down, AK. Continue to talk with people, because AK, let me say this to you. There's many people out there that have been through what you have been through, but they never come out as strong as you did. Yeah? They never come out as strong as you did. So by you talking, you are help them to see that if it should happen to them again, hopefully it don't happen to them again, they know how to get out of that trouble, and they know that they can be okay by themselves. See what I say? And again, another thing is, most of the people who don't really like you is people who have been in the same situation that you have been into and could not come out of it as strong as you did. So, you know, you go get people that continuously hate you and all them things. And to the big up crew, big up on yourself, enough respect. Thank you very much for all of the prayers, the support one will give to me. I really appreciate it. Really respect it. You know, so hats off to all of you You know, AK, big up yourself. Yeah, man, me that watch the thing last night, and you know, even though it was a ladies' night, you know, but me still want to listen and, you know, give me support, you know. So, again, thank you very much, AK. Thank you very much to all of the big up crew. I can't even call no name because we don't know. But you know yourself. Big up on yourself. Enough respect to each and every one of you. Now, guys, what me really want to talk about, Mark, you know, AK, say me not to make no video because me feel rest. But here what happened? Me do some resting, and boy, me can't stay in my bed. Me can't stay in my bed. Yeah, man, me can't stay in my bed. If me stay in my bed one more day, if me stay in my bed one more day, remember me tell us that me go have bed sick or bed fever or bed something. Yeah, man, something. But guys, but you know, what me see happen is the strength I take time come back. You know, so but me can walk and me can run, and you know, but this a part of what me have to do morning time, you know. And some people ask me some question the other day, like one of my subscribers asked me, say if me know, you know, say me. But guys, I even know nothing at all, you know. So the thing is, and that's the reason why I said to people is never you get excited about a person downfall or a person, anything bad that's happened to a person, because you never know when is your time. And that's why I keep on saying, guys, check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, or make the doctor come at your house. But right now, go at the doctor. Don't even wait until you feel no pain at all. But guys, you know, so this video here, what I really want to make and talk about is about a video we see yesterday. Yeah, yesterday me go up on the YouTube street and me see a thumbnail. And the thumbnail what me see is that colorful one named Ladykeish. And to be honest with you, when me read the thumbnail said about why is Nari denying his child. So me I said to myself, say, hold on a little bit. There's a picture of Nari on the thumbnail, and there's a picture of AK on the thumbnail. And I said to myself, say, by the way, how can you, as a woman, make a video with a thumbnail stating that Nari denying his child? Guys, I sit down and I look into myself. I look into things and I said to myself, one, Alicia Kim never tell any of us who is her kid father. Two, Nari never said he is the father of AK kid. Nari never told any of us that he was in a relationship with AK. So, guys, when I look at that part of it, I said to myself, this Keish lady, as a woman, yeah? As a woman, Keish lady make life look very difficult. Yeah, very difficult. Now, Keish, yeah, Keish woman, let me say this to you, see. AK no do you nothing at all. You don't know AK. I don't know AK. Yeah? But as a woman, there's a disgrace to the woman fraternity. Yeah, there's a big disgrace to the woman fraternity. And the reason why I say that is this. AK have a kid. AK never tell you that she need any help. AK never tell you that she need any advertisement. AK never tell you that she need any of you all to advertise who her baby father is. But all of you come out and advertising who her baby father is. You go as far as making a video saying Nari is denying the child. Now, let me ask you this question. Guys, remember me tell you, me no feel so good, but the vibes not gone. Listen to me good now. Ladykeish, me I go ask you a question, yeah? And the question that me I go ask you is a question I would love for you to answer. You say Nari a disown, abandoned, a disowning child. So tell me something. Our position them in that. Hold on a little bit there, Ladykeish. Our position the baby make. Our position them in there. When the baby a make. You tell me, cause remember you know them say some position give girl and some position give boy. But me want you to tell me what position them in there. Because it sound like you did it. Yeah, it sound like you did write the account strokes. And when it's whining time, your account whining, I say 1 wine, 2 wine, 3 wine. You did it, man. The way you talk, it sound like you was there on the spot. Yeah, man, you did it, man. But by the way, hold on again. Let me ask you one next question. Were you there put in when it slip out? People have me excuse. Were you there when it slip out and people are push back in? Because to the way how you attack, your operation, the way how you attack, it sounds as if you was on the spot. You did it as soon as it slip out, you push it in back. So, now you see what me I talk about. Now do you see what me I talk about? Eh? Guys, yes. As you hear me talk, guys, me I tell you the truth. I don't know if the Keish lady did that at that moment, because it sounds as if she did there that moment. It sounds as if she was doing something. She sounds as if she was there when it slipped out. She put it back in, or she was there singing 5, 10 cent, dollar for the wine them. Because there's only way an individual would be operating like how she operates is if she was inside of that room. Where, as a matter of fact, I don't even know if it was in a room. I don't know where it was. So I am not going to say inside that room. But wheresoever it was, it sounded as if Ladykeish was there. She was there playing a part, either counting strokes, asking question, saying, yes, I believe you're pregnant now. She was there saying something, because there's no way a woman should be going that hard on another young lady that she don't even know the full story. She do not know the full story, but yet still, she's going hard, beating this young lady. And the thing is, she is a woman too. And the thing is, she have kids that the man is not with her. My viewers and subscribers, I do not understand the whole situation of why up till now these people, women, man, trying to beat down AK for something that she didn't even do. The thing is, guys, is check this out. When she going to make this video about Nari denying his child, that's just to show you how serious these people is towards trying to carry down AK. Because none of them have told us, may I put myself in there, that the father of the child is Nari. And for you all to be out there doing this to AK, to be honest, I don't know. I am a man. Yeah? I am a man, and I feel it for AK to a certain extent, just knowing that over 2 years now, because of one stupid idiot person who, because he didn't get an answer in a DM, come out blazing, and then end up that it all blew up in the wrong way. She got divorced by the man. Not she divorced the man, you know. But guys, it's just to show you how people is, you know. But guys, you see today, yeah, me not really waste most of my time on these people, you know. Guys, I am not 100%, yeah, not 100% this morning. I have to go do another procedure this morning. So right now, I'm going to make some sauce. Yeah. So right now, I make some sauce, you know. Jerk sauce. Guys, that's some of the biggest scallion me ever see. You know, my whole entirely life. Hold on there, guys. Hold on there. Let me show you what I'm going. Wait. So, guys, take a look. Them are scallion, the biggest scallion they me ever seen, brother. Yeah, these scallions are some of the biggest scallions I ever see. So, we go cut them up because we go make some sauce. You know, me go make some Rodney's awesome sauce. You know, while we have a dialogue. But yeah, guys, me just sit down sometime and my heart really hurt. You know, my heart really hurt for AK, man. Me I tell you, me not lie, man. My heart really hurt for her, for see the kind of, you know, it's like the man then can't stop make these kind of videos. You know? You know, them not even try to find something else to do. You know? When you realize, say, a mother, like the Ladykeish lady there, take up another woman's life in her hand and I try to beat her down like that, it really tell you where she a come from, yeah? And the thing is, guys, I don't really want to say too much, yeah? I don't really want to say too much because I don't want it to look like I am beating down on a woman. But at the same time, guys, it needs to stop, you know? Let AK live. She been through whole heap. You see, she do a video the other day. She never knows she should have been in that situation. You know? Because nobody knows what tomorrow is going to bring. You know? See there? I am a person who make me drinks them, drink me juice, do all kind of things where I believe was the correct thing. Yeah, I believe it was the correct thing. Because so far it's been working. But at the same time, you're fixing one thing while something else is falling apart. So may I say? So guys, when you sit down and you look on it, you have to sit down and ask yourself the question, why them a do AK that way? You know, she not do them nothing. It's not like she have done any of them anything. Not one of them. I have never seen AK before in my life. Yeah, I have never seen AK before. In my whole entire life, I have never seen her before. You know? But when you sit down and look at her story, you have to realize that her story is a story where if you have sense and you sit down and you look upon her story, you realize where her story goes and who is wrong from who is right. You know, if you have any kind of sense, you ask yourself the question, why am I even talking bad of this girl? When the man himself in question tell you that he was the one who went and find her, she didn't find him. Now think about that. Just think about that for a little bit. She didn't find him. He found her. He went because of what somebody told him about her. And then you all is going to beat her because you all believe. You know, guys, you know how funny this is? You're going to beat her because you all believe she shouldn't have get pregnant so quick. Oh, boy, I tell you. You know, guys, let me say this to each and every one of you out there in the world. If we all, you see, could live the way how people would want us to live, imagine we wouldn't have a life. We wouldn't have a life because people want you to live how them want you to live. Just think about that. You imagine? People want you to live how them want you to live. How can you see a man and a woman in a relationship, the man left the woman, walk out, but you feel like you should beat the woman because the woman should not go and get pregnant? But when you see her, my viewers and subscribers, me not understand the logics I mean, I understand the whole thing. But I don't know if you give AK a break. But here I go on AK. Because I not really spend too much time on them people, you know. I just feel like I want to make a video. Because, you know, I don't make a video from one day. Even though me hear AK I say, I don't think about make a video. But I can't sit down. I can't sit down no more. I not feel, I no 100 still, but I can't sit down, you know. Yeah, I can't sit down. It's like I'm weak. You know? So, but I eat still and things soon back to normal. Soon back to 100. But AK, you hear me I say? Me see you ask some question there about if you should have still continue your sit down. Yeah man, continue your sit down man. Many people out there want to hear what you have to say. Many people out there so glad to see you come out and I say something what them couldn't say. So, what me I say is go on do your thing. Go on have your channel. Go on do your sit down. Yeah man, talk to your people them. Them did they listen. Them want to hear what you have to say. Yeah man, them want to hear what you have to say. A lot of ladies out there I have the same problem where you've been into. And you always remember, AK, there's a lot of people out there that would love to continue listening to what you're saying. You know, just to learn something from you, to understand something from you. There's a lot of people out there you are help, and you don't even realize that you're helping them. You know, lot of people, lot of women, you out there help, and not even realize that you're really helping them. You know, so my thing to you is continue to make your videos. No listen to the noise. Yeah, no listen to the noise. Just go and make your video and just go on be happy. Nice me make guys. Yeah, I think if you just go and make your videos, go and do your thing, run your 2 channel, you know, have your daily vlog and have your channel that you sit down and talk with your fans. Yeah, talk with your people. Talk with the people who need your expertise. You know, talk to them. You know, last night me I listen, and I think it's a good program. Yeah, it's a good program, good topics. You know, women, women attack amongst each other about things. You know, I think it will always be a good thing to do. So continue. Don't stop. And to be honest with you is just give them things to talk. Make them continue to talk, because there's one thing you not go stop. You not go can do. Nobody in the world can do is stop another person from talk. Yes, there's one thing in August though, is stop people from talk, so, you know. But guys, you know, so guys, right now, me go cut this video, cause, you know, like me can talk for a certain amount of time, and then me have to stop. So, again, guys, thank you all very much for the support. Again, for I watch the video them, I like the video them, I share the video them. So, enough respect. AK and the Big Up Crew, thank you all very much for the support. You know, right across the board us. Thank you guys a million. 1,000,001%. So again, continue. If you don't know though, continue to send the prayers, continue to send the love. You know, because guys, me are telling you the truth. And before me go tell you a little thing. You see that mash up the way they mash up my food truck? Yeah. That mash up the way they mash up my food truck. Guys, I'll see you in our next video. I'm out. Bye-bye.